Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's Thursday, so it's a chit-chatty video from me just sitting here in the bedroom. And today we're going to talk about traveling essentials. And I have picked out my favorite 15 travel essentials that I cannot travel without. And this list is something that I have been working on for quite a while. You know, when I come up with something that I do really like and then I just write it down. And now I have 15 of them, so I'm gonna share them and now I'm gonna share them with you. So first of all, don't forget to like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. We upload 2 times a week, which is Monday and Thursday. Yay! So the first thing that I'm gonna share with you now is my slippers. I bought these 2 in Sweden actually, and they have been very useful, especially when we live at hostels or at camping sites, when you share shower rooms or like toilets and stuff. I don't like to just stand on the floor in the shower because that's disgusting. So practically I'm using them so I don't get fungus or athletic foot, as it says on Google that it's called. In Swedish it's just fotsvamp. It's really good. Next up is also if you're staying at a hostel or a camping site or something like that, and that is an eye mask. Because when you stay in a hostel with a bunch of people, they are not gonna care about you if they need to turn the lights on. So this is really good. And also for the snoring people or for like the noisy people, and also when you stay at hostels the beds squeaks a lot. So either earplugs, but I hate earplugs. So I'm using my noise cancelling headphones from Booth. These are perfect, and you can you know, listen to music if you want to, or just keep the sound out, which is really good. Next up, it's just a power bank. You need it always. And also when you're traveling, you need to make sure that you have the right adapter and an extension cord, especially if you have a lot of electronics like we do. We have 2 laptops, we have 1 camera, a drone, you know, we have a lot of stuff that we need to charge up pretty much every day because we are filming videos and stuff. And as I was talking about in the previous video, last Thursday, and first aid kit is really important, where you have stuff like bandages and wound cleaning kit and stuff like that. It's very important. Next up is a nail clipper or a scissor or something to keep your nails on your feet especially good, because you don't want to get ingrowing toenail. Okay, so just bring a scissor or a nail clipper, because otherwise you will get ingrowing toenail, because that's what it says in English. Your nails are gonna grow even when you travel, and I never thought that I was gonna use mine, but I have plenty of times. So bring a nail clipper or a scissor. And my favorite thing that I cannot travel without is my baby wipes. They are perfect for like getting your face clean, freshen up your skin if you have been sweating a lot and maybe you're not near a shower. Do the dishes but you don't have the water, you can just wipe it clean. It's really good. It's just perfect. Baby wipes. And then we have the smaller essentials like a padlock, a head torch. You will need it, I promise you. Then we also have stuff like a clothing line when you do the laundry, sewing kit if you're gonna travel like hardcore backpacking. And as I was mentioning in the last video as well, copy of your important paper. So this binder contains everything important that we need. If we have bought something expensive, I just save the receipt and pretty much just everything that we need. Then I put this one in the bottom of my backpack. I'm gonna show you. So here, this is like the closest to my back. So I'm just putting it in right here, because then it's almost hidden as well. It's really smart. So again, copy of your important papers and a binder or something to keep track on all of the important stuff. In case someone steals your passport, you need it. It's good. Also, when you're packing, if you're a freak like me, like OCD, They have packing cubes, which is really good to keep everything organized in your backpack. Because when you stay at a hostel, you might not unpack everything, but you still have like your dirty laundry in here. You can have the shirts in a cube like here, and then you have, yeah, you know. Also, a microfiber towel are something that I really need to get. I haven't got it yet, but I do really need it because it's a towel, a big towel, but when you fold it, it's very, very tiny. It doesn't take up any space in your backpack. Microfiber also absorbs the water very good, and it dries out very fast. So you should get one of those. Then again, the life straw that I was talking about in the last video, it's a straw that you can put in any bottle or glass or whatever, and it filters out bacteria and stuff. It's really, really good. I will link that down below again. The last thing is these two. This is my conditioner and my shampoo, and I've been having it for the last 4 to 5 weeks now. They never run out. I've been having these two for 5 weeks. It's perfect. So this is the shampoo and this is my conditioner. It smells really, really good. The thing that you do is that you get your hair wet and then you just rub it in like this, and it's like, you know, you clean it as you usually do, and you wash it out, and then you do the same with the conditioner. You just drag it into your hair, massage it for a little bit, and you wash it out. It's perfect. So there's no chemicals in these two, which is really good. It keeps your hair healthier longer, which is really good. And I also have one for Elias, and even Elias thinks it's good. Right, babe? Can you come and tell them why? Can you tell it from there? What's the best part with your shampoo bar?
Smells really good, sustainable.
Easy to carry around, it doesn't take up much space. And you don't have to think about the 100 milliliters limit when you go on the airport, because this is...
And it lasts much longer.
Yeah, it does. We have had them for like 4 or 5 weeks now. So last but not least is to just take everything that you need in a smaller version. Like, you don't need big things. Just take everything that you need in a smaller version, and you'll be down with the backpacking kids. But yeah, that's pretty much it. When you're packing for backpacking or traveling, don't overpack. You know, just bring the real essentials. If you're gonna stay out for like a week, you might need 2 bottoms and then maybe 5 tops, and you're good. And that's for a whole week, you know. And if there's something you're missing, you can always purchase it when you get to your destination. Unless you're going to the jungle, pretty much. But yeah, I'm the master of overpacking. I've always packed too much, but now I'm getting the hang of it, you know. For our next adventure that we are planning right now, we are gonna be gone for 4 weeks. I have 5 bottoms, that's it, and it's 1 pair of tights, and then I have 2 skirts and 1 pair of biker shorts. That's it. And then I have like 10 tops. That's all for a month, because you don't need anything more. Especially when you're going to a warmer destination, you're probably gonna walk around in maybe a pair of shorts and a bikini top for most of the day. So you don't really need as much as you think you do. But again, just do your research about the weather, do your research about how quick the weather can change. You're probably just gonna need 1 hoodie or 1 jacket, 1 pair of warmer pants. When it comes to clothing, what I have 1 tip for you, and that is always to pack in like outfits. Okay, so if I have this skirt, for example, I can have a black top to this, and I can have a white top to this. This skirt, I can also have a white and a black. So, you know, just pack smart and you'll be fine. Always go for outfits. I like play suits, because then I don't have to think when I wake up, okay, what goes with what? I can just put it on, and it's very easy. It makes everything easier. And that is actually something that I'm gonna take home with me and like forever. When I purchase something in store, I always need to think like, what can I have to this at home? Do I have something that matches? If I don't, then I don't buy it, because then I don't need it, because I'm not gonna use it. But yeah, that's all that I had for today. So thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all on Monday. Bye! Vad heter gnissla på engelska? Gnissla. Älskling. Heter det fungus? Eller ska jag säga athletic foot? Va? Men vad ska jag säga, Albert? Fungus. Okej. Men det är en fråga. Jag förstår. Nu sitter jag bara och ramblar igen. Vad heter nageltrång då? Ja.